All right, in today's video, we're going to replace the halogen turn signals up front with these T3 series lights from Lasfit. I heard somebody mention these on a different YouTube video, and I figured let me give them a shot. They do have a built-in canvas, so it should not throw any codes. I did already throw in the equivalent set in the rear turn signals, and they worked just fine, and they were bright as hell. So I anticipate this is going to be a great upgrade. So just to get you guys familiar, if you're looking from the driver's side, you'll see, if I can get it to focus, down there, there's a wire right below, a set of wires that's right below the, let's see if we can get it from that side. That's right below the high beam access point. It's right there. It's like right underneath of it. That's the one you want to get. All right. And on the passenger side, pretty much the same thing. Actually, you can see it a little bit better. So that wire that is closest to the top, that is the one for the driver's side, and it's got a rather wide plug, so you'll kind of feel it when you put your hand in there. You're going to turn the plug counterclockwise to get it out. So let's get one of these out and show you how that looks. All right, so I just got the bulb free, so I'm going to get some gloves. I'm going to get this one out and put the LED in, and then we'll test it real fast. One note, if the LED doesn't light up the first time, just take it out and turn it around, and it should be fine. Okay, we got the bulb seated in there. Let's do a quick test. So like I said, the hazards are on, but if it doesn't work the first time, just take it out and turn it around. So give me 1 second. Okay, we got it working. So let me put this back in and show you the difference. And as you can see, a night and day difference. That's the halogen on the left, the LED on the right. So they are definitely going to do the job. So basically just repeat the process on the other side and you're good to go. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching another upgrade, and I'll catch you on the next one.